Hello, I'm Clarence, and today I'm going to show you how to achieve a perfect photo finish look that looks great in person and even better on camera. I'm going to start off with Max Factor Smooth Miracle Primer. It will help you to even out your skin texture before your foundation application. So you can smooth it on your face like this, from the center outwards, and making sure you cover every part of your face. This can help you refine your pores and also even out your skin texture so that your foundation application will be more even. So after the primer, I'm going to use this Kill Cover. It's called a Clio Kill Cover Foundwear Cushion XP. It's a cushion foundation which you can just pat it on lightly on the whole face. Do not drag the sponge because that will mess up your makeup. So when you do this, you have to make sure you cover up the hairline area as well. Do not leave the line around the hairline empty because sometimes when you take pictures with a flash camera or something like that, and you will see two different tones. I'm going to do a bit of concealing with this L'Oreal True Match. Under the eyes, you have these two dark areas. What I normally use is a slightly darker tone to target this part here. This is where you want to make sure you have it lightened because that's where it makes you look tired most of the time. And using your ring finger, you can just gently dab it off. So right here, I'm using Kate's the Base Zero Face Powder to set the makeup. Just under the eyes, the sides of the nose, the lips. Okay, so the base makeup is done, but if you want to look photo ready for your selfies, for your social media posts, you need to do a bit of contouring, right? So what I'm going to use now is the Australis AC on Tour Contouring and Highlighting Kit. I'm going to use a tone that's quite neutral. Okay, so usually this is where your cheekbone is, and this is beneath your cheekbone where you want to create that sunken look. Start shading from around the sideburn area, running down beneath the cheekbones to create that hollow there. Anika's brows are pretty dark already, but we should still groom it a little. Start by brushing it through to tidy it up. And then I'm going to use Kate's Designing Eyebrow Powder. So I'm going to use a lighter shade first, just to go through it. See, you don't need to match the shade of the color of the hair on the eyebrows first. See, when you use a lighter shade, it actually gives the brows a softer look, and it does look more groomed as well. When you need to define the ends more, then you can use the darker shade, and the eyebrows will look more complete. Next, I'm going to use Revlon's Mega Multiplier. A little tip of applying mascara is always brush it upwards. And if you want, you can also try to pull it outwards this way, because that way it will give you a little like wing tip with the lashes alone. Next, we can actually put on a bit of a blush. This is a Revlon Insta-Blush. Be sure not to apply the color too low here because when the cheek color is too low, it will drag your cheeks down. Just dab it on your cheeks like this, on the apple of your cheeks. Circle it on your cheeks to give you some color. So it gives you a very soft and natural blush. So the makeup's almost done, and all we need now is a little bit of lip color, and I'm going to apply CANMAKE Candy Wrap Rich Color on the lips. Just dab it on your lips. You don't want the color to be too rich, just a tint of color and gloss. And now you're camera ready. Stay tuned for more videos where I'll be sharing more tips and tricks.